Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to be making a natural hairspray. Most women have a love-hate relationship with their hairspray. They love the hold and the effect from it, but they hate the unnatural smell. When I used to use my old hairspray before I was making my own, I used to hold my breath every time I used it, and then I would dash out of the room so that I could actually take a breath without feeling like I was doing harm to myself. There's quite a few toxic ingredients in hairspray. The worst one usually is the fragrance or perfume, which can contain up to 3,000 different toxic chemicals. And when you spray it onto your head, you can absorb those chemicals through your scalp and into your bloodstream. The other chemicals that tend to be the worst are cyclotetrasiloxane and cyclotetrasiloxane. They tend to be the worst when they are in aerosol form, which most women do tend to use an aerosol hairspray rather than just the misting type. So when you spray that, you're breathing it into your lungs, and it can cause a multitude of different issues, including disrupting your endocrine system, organ toxicity, reproductive toxicity, and can cause harm to your immune system. So by making your own, you know exactly what's in there. So this is a fairly easy recipe to do. There aren't many ingredients: water, sugar, and then 3 different essential oils: lavender, rosemary, and geranium, which are all awesome for hair health. So let's do it. Heat 1 cup of water in a pot on the stove and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar once the water is boiling. Stir until the sugar is dissolved. Remove from the heat and let cool. Add 4 drops of geranium, 4 drops of rosemary, and 4 drops of lavender. I use Young Living oils due to their purity and seed to seal promise, since I don't want my essential oils adulterated with chemical fillers. Put the mixture into a spray bottle and enjoy. I have upcycled a bottle from a natural hairspray that I bought from a health food store because I really like the fine mist from it. There are also many other different bottles you could buy from Amazon, and I'm not as worried with this recipe about using plastic because there aren't as many drops of essential oils in this recipe. When I first made this recipe, I was a bit worried about it, that with using sugar and water that I was going to end up with a sticky mess in my hair, or that I would come outside and be swarmed by bugs, which I usually am anyway, but even worse because of that sugar water. But truthfully, I mean, I live basically in the woods, and I haven't noticed any difference whatsoever with that type of thing. So if you're a city dweller, you're probably really safe, but it's worked out really well for me. The cost to make this hairspray is about $1.50 for this size that we made today. A similar price for a traditional hairspray is about $3 to $5, and for a more natural hairspray that you would get at a health food store is about $13 to $15, somewhere in that range. If you're interested in purchasing some of these essential oils, reach out to me on Instagram. Click on the description of the video for the recipe and any of the ingredients that I've used. Thanks for watching my video today. If you're interested in seeing more videos on natural products, please subscribe to my channel. And if you enjoyed this video, give me the thumbs up. Have a great day.